Good morning. I can't. The lighting is so bad. Um, Today is Friday, September. What date it is? Friday, September 15. I just woke up. Like it is after 9 in the morning. Tomorrow I have a picnic to go to, a church picnic, and I'm bringing my cousin with me. So I need to go find an outfit for her. I need to clean up my face. Like I'm in pain because I'm on my period and I'm just in pain, but I got things to do. I got some shirts to make today for the picnic tomorrow, and I also have I think that's it. I don't remember, but I need to go places. So I have some shirts to make. I need to go to the ATM to get some money, and I also need to go to the supermarket to get the snacks because we're doing a color code picnic. I know you guys have seen those all over TikTok, so I need to go get that. I'm in my mom's room. I'm just gonna open the window so fresh air can come in because yeah, my mom left. I'll go the other side. She went on vacation, girl. She went on vacation, so I'm here alone. Okay, I'm gonna try to find an outfit for my cousin. So if I can't find like a pants, like a nice pants to go with the with this shirt, and I'll just have her wear this dress, and maybe I'll bring this shirt for backup because kids are nasty. Kids be doing. Okay, so far those are the only two options that I'm seeing. She has more jeans dresses and she has some shorts, but I don't know if I like this blouse with the shorts. Like I feel like it needs a little bit more of a dressy blouse, but I'm gonna take out one of the blouse and the shorts and ask her if she wants to wear it, I guess. She has these shorts. Maybe they could go good with this. I don't know. Because I kind of want her to like be uniform with everyone else. Like all the kids are going to be wearing red. So these are the two outfit choices for her. I'm going to go ahead and go brush my teeth. Up here. Go ahead and go brush my teeth and start on the blouses that I need to make. I'm gonna start on my laptop. I need to get something to eat as well, and my camera battery is dying, so I need to go charge that. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Peace. I'm done making the shirts. This one is for my good sis. This is what she wanted, and then this one is also for her, and then this one is for her husband. That's what he wanted. I still feel like this is a little bit too plain, and the pink is kind of disturbing me, but we're gonna leave it. Don't mind the mess. I need to clean. This one is mine. I'm gonna add some more flowers later, but I need to go on the road. And then this one is for my husband. So we're in purple team. We're going to that color coding picnic. So that's his, that's mine. And then yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower really quickly because I gotta go get my snacks and everything else that I need to get. So catch y'all later. Okay guys, so this was our basket that we made. We just have purple snacks and juice in it because we are on purple team. I was trying to show you guys, but I didn't want to talk loud, so here we go.
So this is us. We're going home. There's the gang. Yeah, we're done. We're going to a yard. Big up on yourself. All the old upon the channel. Big up on yourself. Show support. Show love. You understand? Yeah, we're representing for the Edwards. Big up on yourself.
Ready now? Yeah, we're ready. Yes. But look like a black camera quality nice. Lovely. Nice for black no. Lovely. Are the princess now looking up? Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Alicia. So we're starting up a new vlog today. We are going to the beach because it is September and the whole entire summer I did not go anywhere. So we're going to the beach. Got my bathing suit on underneath this. Cute. And we're gonna head out. We're going to Ocho Rios, so we need to leave now. I'm gonna pick up my cousin from school and take her with me, and then I'm going with 2 other of my cousins and then my husband. So I'll see y'all when we're on our way.
Don't sweat it, don't get agitated, girl, go and rotate, cause it is a beauty, very special, really and truly.
Okay, so we're done. We're going home. It was a fun day. So yeah, the beach is called Mahogany Beach in Ocho Rios. We spent a couple of hours here. We're gonna leave and try to find something to eat right now because I'm starving. Everyone is starving, so we are gonna go get some food and go home.